Hey there, welcome back to the channel after a very long hiatus. I hope you had an amazing new year and you spent it with all your loved ones or friends or whoever you like to spend time with. So I decided this year to really stick to the channel and make sure that I create content consistently for you guys. Now, I don't know as far as posting how that would look, but at least once a week we'll be putting new content out. And this is gonna basically go based off of whatever I learn or whatever I already know. Or of course, if you guys comment down below saying, hey, I would love to know about XYZ, and if that's something that I already know, I will show you. But if it's something that I don't already know, I will definitely find out about it and make sure that I create content for you guys. So all of the footage that you guys just watched was footage that I took with my family when we were out in the park, and it almost got completely scrapped. And it was for one error that I forgot to set in my camera, which in some cameras it's shutter speed. Mine's is shutter angle. So when we talk about shutter speed, which is normally what every camera out there has, mirrorless, DSLR, you always try to make the shutter speed twice the amount of what your frame rate is. 24 frames per second, 1/48, 30 frames per second, 1/60, 60 frames per second, 1/120, and so on and so forth. Now on this camera, which is the FX6, it's more of a shutter angle. And in order to make your footage look natural here on the FX6, you want to keep it at 180 degrees, which completely slipped my mind, and I had it at like 360. So when I took all of my footage, placed it on my computer and began editing, I was like, oh no. But then I remembered that DaVinci Resolve has an amazing little tool called Optical Flow. And it basically generates a lot of those frames that somehow got missed because of my fault not setting the shutter angle correctly. And it recreates them based off the footage it already has. And thus came this video, so I could show you not to make the same mistakes that I did. But you may be asking, well, Lewis, I don't have shutter angle, I have shutter speed. Does it work? Yes, it does. Fortunately, DaVinci just simply creates those frames that got missed in between. So even if you filmed at the incorrect shutter speed, you can utilize Optical Flow and make your footage look buttery smooth. Now, mind you, these are just tips to kind of help you along the way, but it's not recommended that you break these rules all the time unless you're looking for that artistic or creative style. But those are not the only steps to stick to in order to get great imagery or footage out of your camera. There's a lot more that goes into it, like lighting, frames per second, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and a lot more. And I want to talk about all of that with you guys and teach you everything that I know, including how I built a business from scratch. So if you're someone who just started their film journey and you simply just want to learn how to film, or maybe you already have some experience, but you want to learn from someone else's mistakes and not have to make the same ones, let's take this journey together and possibly learn from each other, whether it's through commentary or collaboration. I promised myself this year to be super accountable to making sure that I keep creating content for you guys, to share my ups and downs and my struggles, because believe it or not, I've been doing this for 16 years and I still have my struggles and I still have my doubts, and sometimes I question my own craft. And that's completely fine for anyone at any level in any industry or career, because courage is not the absence of fear. It's doing it even when you're scared. It's pushing those boundaries that you yourself did not believe you could push through, and getting to the other side, patting yourself on the back and saying, we did it. I heard this quote that completely changed my life, and it's, life is not what you see, but who you are. And all it means is basically everything we know about life is what we've been taught, which means there's still opportunity for us to relearn, redefine, and change our life forever. The only limits we have as creative human beings are the ones we believe and accept. So I leave you with this quote from Henry Ford: whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're probably right. But I challenge you this 2025 to be the change you want to see happen in your life. Turn that camera on, believe in your talents, and shine your light on the world. Michael Jordan did not become a legend overnight. Oprah Winfrey was not suited for television. The Colonel was 62 years old when he launched KFC. And the youngest recorded millionaire became a millionaire by the age of 14. You're not too young and you're not too old. You just have to choose that it's time for a change. See you on the next one.